Welcome to Best Driving Academy, the one-stop shop for driver's education in Maryland. Here's how we make your journey to becoming a licensed driver simple and stress-free. First, you'll complete the required 30-hour classroom training. Choose what works best for you. Attend classes in person at our location or join us online via Zoom from the comfort of your home. Either way, you'll have access to engaging lessons taught by our experienced instructors who are dedicated to your success. Once your classroom training is complete, it's time to hit the road. At Best Driving Academy, you'll complete your behind-the-wheel sessions with our professional instructors. We have a fleet of vehicles and a team of highly trained instructors ready to meet your scheduling needs. With our open and flexible driving schedule, it's easy to fit lessons into your busy life. And when you're ready for the final step, we've got you covered. Complete your state road test with us using one of our vehicles. It's all part of the seamless service we provide. But don't just take our word for it. Our 5-star rating on Google speaks for itself. And if you're looking for extra guidance, check us out on TikTok and YouTube. With over 1 million views, our videos are here to help you every step of the way. At Best Driving Academy, we're committed to providing the best driver's education experience in Maryland. From start to finish, we're here to make your journey to becoming a licensed driver easy, flexible, and fun. So why wait? Enroll today and get ready to hit the road with confidence.